Our busy lifestyles and poor eating habits can take a greater toll on our bodies than we often recognize. Hey viewers, welcome back to Health and Fitness Mastery. Before savoring that Chinese takeout or your favorite burger, consider the adverse effects it can have on your health, skin, organs, and especially your brain. As the control center of your body, the brain requires high-quality, nutritious food to function effectively. If you don't have the time to cook an elaborate meal, Superfoods can come to the rescue. These foods can boost your memory and concentration while supporting brain health. Wondering if blueberries or dark chocolate made the list? Stay tuned to learn about the superfoods that boost brain health. 1. Avocados. Avocados are a perfect match for healthy eating. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, or use them as a dip. This fruit is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and copper, which enhance memory and problem-solving skills. The fatty acids in avocados protect brain cells and enhance blood flow to the brain. In recent years, avocado consumption in America has surged, and it's no surprise why. They're delicious, healthy, and versatile. How do you enjoy your avocado? As a dip, on toast, in a salad? Share with us in the comments. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries make everything better, from smoothies to chocolates. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with brain-boosting nutrients. Scientists have found that blueberries can boost brain activity, improve blood flow, and enhance memory. They also reduce the risk of dementia and keep brain cells healthy. Blueberries are nutrient-dense, rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, and are hydrating. Enjoy them fresh or frozen, just make sure they're part of your diet. 3. Turmeric. This ancient Indian herb has been used medicinally for centuries. Turmeric gives curry its yellow color and contains compounds and minerals with anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient, is loaded with antioxidants that enhance brain function and maintain cell health. Turmeric can reverse age-related brain disorders and improve brain function. Try a turmeric latte or yellow milk to keep your brain health in check. When did you last have fish for dinner? Fatty fish like trout, salmon, and sardines are top brain-boosting foods. They contain essential omega-3 fatty acids and good fats that keep your brain and heart healthy. Fatty fish enhance brain power, concentration, and cognitive abilities. Opting for lean proteins like fish instead of regular meat benefits your brain, heart, skin, and hair. If you haven't added nuts and seeds to your meals, now is the time. Walnuts, almonds, peanuts, pecans, and pistachios are rich in good fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They protect brain cells, lower the risk of Alzheimer's, and help prevent age-related brain diseases. Vitamin E in nuts and seeds enhances cognitive function. Add them to your meals, salads, and smoothies for lasting benefits. Cutting back on sugar? Replace regular chocolate with dark chocolate for significant benefits. The antioxidants in cocoa enhance blood flow to the brain, safeguarding it from diseases that affect thinking and reasoning. Dark chocolate also fights early signs of aging, reduces fatigue, and boosts mood, concentration, and focus. Oranges are more than just a source of vitamin C. Eating an orange daily helps you stay mentally and physically balanced, flush out toxins, and boost metabolism. Orange-infused water protects brain health and fights depression and memory loss. Oranges also provide various vitamins and calcium, supporting digestive health. Eggs are a breakfast staple. Fry, boil, or poach them. There are many ways to include them in your meals. Eggs help the brain combat Alzheimer's risk. The nutrients in eggs help regulate brain function, while the yolk enhances memory power. Pair eggs with chicken, fish, and leafy greens for a balanced meal for your mind and body. Broccoli is the ultimate brain food. It's beneficial for all ages. Vitamins and nutrients in broccoli enhance brain health and slow age-related cognitive decline. Despite its taste, prioritizing health over taste is crucial. The plant-based minerals in broccoli support brain cell formation and memory in older adults, helping to protect against age-related damage. Eating brain-boosting foods is just the first step. Here are other ways to keep your brain in top shape. Regular exercise. Physical activity and brain health are linked. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of exercise each day boosts blood flow to the brain, improving memory, cognitive function, and mood. Exercise also reduces diabetes risk and prevents strokes. Sound sleep. Deep sound sleep is crucial for your brain to repair and regenerate. Lack of sleep leads to forgetfulness and irritability. Sleep supports brain cell growth and helps eliminate toxins that accumulate while you're awake. Keep learning. Stay mentally active by engaging in new tasks. Learning keeps memory strong and stimulates brain cells for better communication. Engage in new hobbies, acquire new skills, and mentor others to keep your brain sharp. What other methods do you use to maintain brain health? Do they work for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you like this video, do smash the like button and consider to subscribe for future uploads. Thanks for watching!